Hello, I'm Jennifer with Jennifer Decorates. So many of you have been so sweet in asking me to show what my store looks like during the spring. So I'm going to give you a mini tour. So this is the first area that guests see when they first arrive in JD's. It is very warm and neutral and just a cozy little area. We have some beautiful baby's breath, lilacs, and then probably my favorite, which is cabbage roses. So in this area, we really just created a very warm and cozy sitting area, and we used a lot of monochromatic colors. Also incorporated a little bit of a simple cottage look. You'll notice, like, even on the chairs, there's the simple studs in the chair. And then below the chair on the bottom, there's just a little bit of burlap. This is just a very warm and easy way to decorate. I want to show you something I'm very excited to have in the store. I found a local artist and she has hand painted a few bunnies. I've got a few more pillows I'm going to show you, but look at this. She hand painted this on a linen pillow. The detail is phenomenal. I will have a link below if you want to purchase a few of these pillows. So this is one of my favorite areas in the store, and that is the bed area. I love to put together a lot of different bedding designs. And I tell you, a good idea, if you've got a guest room, is to put a tray at the end of the bed and fill it with a few accessories, especially some pretty flowers. I mean, what guest wouldn't like that? So I like putting trays on a nightstand. It's kind of a way where you can kind of have an organized vignette. And I usually typically kind of stay with 3 things on a tray. And then I added these flowers. They're just so beautiful. They're called Real Touch tulips, and they just added a pop of color on the tray. Now I want to show you another cute pillow. This is another pillow that our artist did for us. Again, hand painted on a pillow, and look how cute he is. So by this time of year, we're all tired of winter. So it's time to bring spring in. And one of the ways I do that is by bringing some beautiful greenery in. Whether it's a little potted plant or a big potted plant, a little bit of greenery just adds a softness to any design. So the last area I wanted to show you was this really sweet dining area we have set up. We have a really unique centerpiece idea, all varied height candles on a cake stand. And this is beautiful. You could use it inside or outside, and especially if you're going to do it with dripless candles. So even at home, I like to set a few place settings just to add some color to a table. And to bring spring in, what I added was a simple candle ring with a lot of different green leaves on it, a really cool cement pear that sits inside of a cup, and then I placed the napkin under the actual dinner plate in between the charger just to add a little bit of softness. So here I've added some artificial fruit that sits under a cloche, and this is just a great way to add some color into your room. One of my favorite things to do is to make custom florals. This is one that I put together with some beautiful lamb's ear and very soft flowers. So a lot of you guys were asking, what did I find at High Point Market? Okay, this was my favorite find at High Point. And when it finally arrived, I was super excited. We call it the honeycomb hutch. So I wanted to give you a peek inside. Now, of course, if I was actually decorating this for a client, I would accessorize it really different. But we have put in a lot of our special spring items, from my cute little fuzzy llamas to a hand-painted sheep. So like I talked about before, I love to add greenery in almost every design. And as you can tell, the greenery sitting inside of this cabinet just pops. So I want to show you my last and favorite pillow. This little guy's going to come home with me. The artist painted an adorable bow tie on it. Well, thank you so much for watching my video. Leave a comment if you would like me to do more videos like this. And I hope you have a wonderful day.